Welcome to iRise online classes. What about the previous question? Have you solved every question? Yeah, today some more questions in algebraic identities. See the question, if a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3. If a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3 given, so a plus 1 by a is equal to either plus root 3 or minus root 3. So if a plus 1 by a is either plus root 3 or minus 1 by root 3, I have given a conclusion a power 6 is equal to minus 1. So if a power 6 is equal to minus 1, what about the question? See the question. Here the question is 1 plus a power 6 plus a power 12 plus a power 18 plus a power 84 plus a power 90 plus a power 200 plus a power 206. In this, I want to write here 1 by a power 6 in one bracket. From these two, take a power 12 common, we get 1 plus a power 6. From these two, take a power 84 common, 1 plus a power 6. From these two, take a power 200 common, 1 plus a power 6. So here a power 6 is minus 1. So put a power 6 as minus 1. This is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1. This is also minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0. So the answer is 0 for this question. Answer is 0. Okay. Next question. See the next question, please. X square plus 2 is equal to 2x given. Then what is x power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus 2? Here x square plus 2 value already known, this is 2x, and this can be written as x power 4 minus 2x cube plus x cube plus 2x. Okay, this minus x cube can be written as minus 2x cube plus x cube. From these two, take x square common, we get x square minus 2x. From these two, take x common, we get x square plus 2. So what is x square plus 2? Here x square plus 2 is 2x, and x square minus 2x is a minus 2. So therefore x square into minus 2 minus 2x square, x into plus 2x is plus 2x square, they get cancelled, so answer is 0. So answer is 0 for this question. Just rearranging the terms here, we get the answer. Okay, next question. See the next question, please. If x plus y minus z whole square plus y plus z minus x whole square plus z plus x minus y whole square is 0, then what is the value of x plus y plus z? Here, sum of the squares of the terms is 0. Square plus square is equal to 0. Already I have given, if sum of squares of the terms is 0, and x, y, z are real numbers, then each term is 0. So therefore from this we say that x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Similarly y plus z minus x is equal to 0. Z plus x minus y is also equal to 0. Then if you add all these, we get x plus y plus z is equal to, here minus z plus z cancel, minus y plus y cancel, minus x plus x cancel, x plus y plus z is 0. So the value of x plus y plus z is 0 here. It's very simple question. Okay. See the next question. Here x minus y is equal to x plus y by 7 is equal to xy by 4. Then what is the value of xy? I want to write this as x minus y by 1 is equal to x plus y by 7 is equal to xy by 4. I want to consider this as k. So here x minus y is equal to k, x plus y is equal to 7k, xy is equal to 4k. Then what is the relation between these three? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is equal to 4xy. Here x plus y is 7k, so 49k square, x minus y is k, k square is equal to 4 into 4k. 48k square is equal to 16k, so therefore k is equal to 1 by 3. Put k is equal to 1 by 3 here. 4 into 1 by 3. Answer is 4 by 3. So xy value is 4 by 3. Okay, this is one method. I want to give one more concept also related to this. Okay, note first all this model. Next I want to solve the same question again. See, here if a by b is equal to c by d is equal to e by f given, then a plus c by b plus d is also in the same ratio. If a by b is equal to c by d, then a plus c by b plus d is also in the same ratio. I want to give a simple example. 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Then add these two, 5 by add these two, 10. So all these values are equal. So I want to solve this question like this. X minus y by 1 is equal to x plus y by 7 is equal to xy by 4. Add these two. This is addition of these two is nothing but 2x by 8 is equal to xy by 4. Here x cancel. Okay, 2 1s are 2 4s cancel, 4 cancel, you get y is equal to 1. And similarly you can use subtraction also. This minus this minus this by this minus this is also equal to same ratio. Here y cancel. Okay, 2 1s 2 3s cancel, therefore x is equal to 4 by 3. Multiply these two, x into y is equal to 1 into 4 by 3. So answer is 4 by 3. Okay, so the same question can be solved in different ways. Next one, see the question. If x minus y is equal to a, xy is equal to b square, then what is the value of x cube minus xy square plus x square y minus y cube? Here this can be written as, so the given question can be written as x cube minus xy square plus x square y minus y cube is equal to x cube minus y cube in one bracket minus xy common y minus x. Again this can be written as x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab minus xy into y minus x. Here already x minus y is a, and again this can be written as x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square plus 3xy minus xy value is b square, y minus x is minus a. Again this is nothing but, see this one, x minus y is a, this is a square, 3xy 3b square. Okay, so this is multiplied, a into a square is a cube, a into 3b square is 3ab square, minus into minus plus ab square. So answer is a cube plus 4ab square. A cube plus 4ab square is the answer. Okay, next one. The average of x and 1 by x is m. What is the meaning of average of x plus x and 1 by x? X plus 1 by x by 2 is the average, is equal to m given. Then what is the average of x square and 1 by x square? So we have to find this value. If this is given as m, what is this value? If x plus 1 by x here, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2m. Okay, consider this as p. If x plus 1 by x is p, what is x square plus 1 by x square? The formula is p square minus 2. P square 4m square minus 2. So if x square plus 1 by x square is 4m square minus 2, this is 4m square minus 2 by 2. So answer is 2m square minus 1. That is the average of x square plus 1 by x square. 2m square minus 1 is the answer for this question. Question number 66 over. Next. 5x square minus 4xy plus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x plus y? Here this is an equation you have to convert in terms of squares of the numbers. Just rearranging the terms, I want to use like this. This can be written as 4x square minus 4xy plus y square in one bracket. The remaining x square minus 2x plus 1 in one bracket. This 5x square can be written as 4x square plus x square, remaining as it is. The first three can be written as, this can be written as 2x minus y whole square plus x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Sum of the squares of the terms is 0. So then each term is equal to 0. So this is 0 and even this is also 0. So x is equal to 1 and 2x is equal to y. Put x is equal to 1 in this, therefore y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Then what is the value of x plus y? X plus y is equal to 2 plus 1. So answer is 3. The answer is 3. Next question. This is a question. X is equal to b plus c minus 2a. Y is equal to c plus a minus 2b. Z is equal to a plus b minus 2c. Then what is the value of x square plus y square minus z square plus 2xy? See, question is x square plus y square minus z square plus 2xy. So to solve this, first I want to, what is x plus y plus z? What is x plus y plus z? Here x is b plus c minus 2a, b plus c minus 2a, c plus a minus 2b, a plus b minus 2c. If you add these three, okay, then we get the value is 0. X plus y plus z is 0. Then what is the question? See the question. X square plus y square plus z square minus z square plus 2xy can be written as, these three can be written as x plus y whole square minus z square. This is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So x plus y plus z into x plus y minus z. Already you know x plus y plus z is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So answer is 0 for this question. Answer is 0. Okay. Next one. The recent questions, examinations, this type of questions are giving. If a by 1 minus a plus b by 1 minus b plus c by 1 minus c, this is the question. A by 1 minus a plus b by 1 minus b plus c by 1 minus c is equal to 1 given. Then what is 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus c? So I want to subtract 1 and add 1 here in the numerator. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. You get the answer easily. Here a minus 1 by 1 minus a is minus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus a. B minus 1 by 1 minus b is minus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus b. C minus 1 by 1 minus c. C minus 1 by 1 minus c is minus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus c is equal to 1. Then what is sum of these three? Therefore 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus c is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 transfer to the right side. So answer is 4. The answer is 4 for this. Okay, there are different questions based on this concept place. I want to solve few more questions also based on this. Next one. If x square plus 8y square plus 9z square minus 4xy minus 12yz is 0, then what is the condition? Here x square plus 8y square, just a minute, x square plus 8y square plus 9z square minus 4xy minus 12yz is equal to 0. This is given condition. Just rearrange the terms to get the squares. Here minus 4xy, here x square is given. X square minus 4xy. If you write 4y square, it becomes a perfect square. So this 8y square can be written as 4y square. There is one more 4y square minus 12yz plus 9z square is equal to 0. The first part can be written as, x minus 2y whole square plus 2y minus 3z whole square, second part, is equal to 0. Sum of squares of the terms 0. Each term is 0. So this is 0. Even this is also 0. X minus 2y is equal to 0. 2y minus 3z is equal to 0. So from this we can say that x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z. x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Next. If p square into a square plus b square plus c square minus 2p into ab plus bc plus cd plus b square plus c square plus d square less than or equal to 0, then which of the following statements is true? Here, the question is p square into a square plus b square plus c square minus 2p into ab plus bc plus cd plus b square plus c square plus d square less than or equal to 0. This is the condition. I want to write this as p square a square minus 2p ab plus b square in one bracket, p square b square minus 2p bc plus c square in the second bracket, p square c square minus 2p cd plus d square in the third bracket less than or equal to 0. This can be written as pa minus b whole square plus pb minus c whole square plus pc minus d whole square less than or equal to 0. Here very important thing, less than or equal to 0 is impossible, less than is impossible, so it must be equal to 0 because sum of the squares of the terms is either the minimum value of this is 0. So therefore each term is 0, this is 0, this is 0, even this is also 0. Here less than is impossible because sum of the squares of the terms are always either 0 or positive if the values are real numbers. So from this we can say that pa minus b is equal to 0, so p is equal to b by a. From this we can say that p is equal to c by b because this is 0. From this we can say that p is equal to d by c. So b by a comma c by b comma d by c are equal to p. b by a, c by b, d by c, 3 are equal. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. Generally here if this type of questions given, one more condition must be given such that they are real numbers. Only real number squares is 0 if and only if each term is 0. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0 if x, y, z are real, if and only if x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Each term is 0. Okay, if they are real numbers, because square of real number is always positive or 0. Okay, next question. If b plus c is equal to 2x, c plus a is equal to 2y, a plus b is equal to 2z, then what is a cube plus b cube plus c cube? Before going to solve, I want to give a formula here first. This formula already given in theory. A plus b minus c whole cube plus b plus c minus a whole cube plus c plus a minus b whole cube is always equal to, the formula for this is a plus b plus c whole cube minus 24 abc. This is the formula. This is the formula. A plus b minus c whole cube plus b plus c minus a whole cube plus c plus a minus b whole cube is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube minus 24 abc. Already I have discussed proof not necessary. Proof can be solved using a cube plus b cube formula. a cube minus b cube formula. Okay, by considering this one, this one, this one and this one, we get the answer as 24abc. If you transfer to the right side, we get a plus b plus c whole cube minus 24abc is equal to this one. Okay, so I want to use this formula to solve this question. Listen carefully. B plus C is equal to 2x. C plus A is equal to 2y. A plus B is equal to 2z. Add 2 times A plus B plus C is equal to 2 times x plus y plus z. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to x plus y plus z. Okay, then what is A? A is equal to A plus B plus C minus of B plus C. Here already A plus B plus C is nothing but x plus y plus z minus B plus C is 2x. So this is nothing but y plus z minus 2x, y plus z minus x. This is A. Similarly, what is B? B is nothing but A plus B plus C minus A plus C. A plus C is 2y. X plus y plus z minus 2y. So therefore, that is nothing but x plus z minus y. Similarly, C is nothing but A plus B plus C minus of A plus B. Here A plus B is 2z. X plus y plus z minus 2z. So we get x plus y minus z. So then what is A cube plus B cube plus C cube? Y plus z minus x whole cube plus x plus z minus y whole cube plus x plus y minus z whole cube is equal to, just I have given a formula for this. This is nothing but x plus y plus z whole cube minus 24 xyz. This is the answer for this question. X plus y plus z whole cube minus 24 xyz. If you know the formula, the problem becomes very easy. Okay, next one. If A plus B plus C is P, ABC is Q, then what is under AB plus BC plus CA is 0, then what is A square plus B square C square plus C square A square. Here A plus B plus C is given as P, ABC is given as Q, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. These are the conditions given. AB plus BC plus CA whole square is equal to how much? Here the question is A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. To get that, I want to square this. This is nothing but A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square plus 2 times product of these two, 2 times A B square C, okay, plus 2 times B C square A plus 2 times C A square B. So therefore, the left side is 0 is equal to A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square plus 2 times ABC common. Take 2ABC common, you get to B plus C plus A. So ABC value, what is ABC value here? Here ABC is equal to Q, so this is Q, and A plus B plus C is given as P, so this is P. Okay, so what is the answer for this question? a square, b square, c square, a square is equal to minus 2qp, minus 2pq. This is the answer for this question. Okay, very simple question. Just to square this, use that condition, we get the answer. Here the question is, what is 9a plus b whole square plus 49c square plus 42 into a plus b into c, given that a plus a, b, c values are 89, minus 69 and 8. How to write the question? The question can be written as 3 into a plus b whole square, 9 into a plus b whole square. This can be written as 7c whole square minus 2 into 3 into a plus b into 7c. See carefully, this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. What is a? Here a is nothing but 3 into a plus b minus 7c whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into this. Here what is a plus b? A is 89, b is minus 69. 89 minus 69 is 20. So this value is equal to 20. This is 20. C is 8. This value is 8. This is nothing but 60 minus 56 whole square, that is 4 square. 4 square is 16. So answer is 16. Just rearrange the terms, we get convert into a minus b whole square formula. See the next question. If x plus 1 by x is 2a, y plus 1 by y is 2c, x minus 1 by x is 2b, y minus 1 by y is 2d, what is the value of xy plus 1 by xy? See question carefully. This is x into y, so you have to multiply these two. Very simple concept, very simple. I want to multiply x plus 1 by x into y plus 1 by y. This is nothing but 2a into 2c. What we get? This is nothing but xy plus x by y plus y by x plus 1 by xy is equal to 4ac. Okay? Then multiply x minus 1 by x multiplied by y minus 1 by y is equal to 2b into 2d. If you multiply, you get xy minus x by y minus y by x minus into minus plus 1 by xy is equal to 4bd. See these two carefully, please. To get the question, these two must be cancelled. Here if you add these two, this one and this one gets cancelled. So therefore adding, we get 2xy plus 2 by xy is equal to 4ac plus 4bd. So cancel 2, xy plus 1 by xy is equal to 2 times ac plus bd. This is the answer, 2 times ac plus bd. So generally either question or options sometimes gives the idea to solve the question. X is p plus q by p minus q, y is p minus q by p plus q. What is x minus y by x plus y? Before going to solve this question, you have to know one important concept in ratios. If a by b is equal to c by d given, a by b is equal to c by d given, then then a minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d. If a by b is equal to c by d, then a minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d, or this can also be written as a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is called componendo and dividendo rule. Componendo and dividendo rule. Actually, the componendo is nothing but if a by b is equal to c by d, a plus b by b is equal to c plus d by d. This is called componendo rule. And subtract a minus b by b is equal to c minus d by d. This is called the dividendo rule. Then just divide, we get a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d, called componendo and dividendo rule. Very simple to understood. For example, 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by 4. 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 minus 2, 1 is equal to 6 plus 4, 10 by 6 minus 4, 2. Both are same. Okay, c plus d by c minus d, a plus b by a minus b. Actually, this componendo and dividendo rule applicable for if two ratios are equal, means they are in proportion. Okay, two ratios are equal, then we can use componendo and dividendo rule. So I want to use this rule to get the answer for this question. See how to solve this question. Here the question is, I want to find first x by y is equal to p plus q by p minus q by p minus q by p plus q, which is equal to p plus q whole square by p minus q whole square. This is x by y. If x by y is equal to this one, then what is x minus y by x plus y? This minus this by this plus this. First x minus y, next x plus y. Same. If a by b is equal to c by d, then a minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d. So that means p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square by p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square. This is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, already you know, 4ab, 4pq by a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, 2 times a square plus b square is the formula. Okay, see, 2 ones 2 2's cancel. So what is the answer for this question, please? The answer is 2pq by p square plus q square. 2pq by p square plus q square. Okay. Next question. If a is equal to xy by x plus y, b is equal to xz by x plus z, and c is equal to yz by y plus z, where a, b's are non-zero, then x is, what is the value of x? Here, what is 1 by a? 1 by a is nothing but x plus y by xy, which is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. This by this is 1 by y, this by this is 1 by x. So this is 1 by a. Similarly, what is 1 by b? Similarly, what is 1 by b? Is nothing but 1 by x plus 1 by z. Similarly, 1 by c is equal to 1 by 3, y plus z by y minus z, 1 by y plus 1 by z. See these three carefully. Here, to get x value, add these two and subtract this. That is 1 by a plus 1 by b minus 1 by c is equal to how much? This is 1 by x plus 1 by y, 1 by x plus 1 by z minus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So I won't write one more step here. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by x plus 1 by z minus 1 by y minus 1 by z. Okay? Here 1 by z, 1 by z, 1 by y cancel, which is equal to 2 by x. Okay, 2 by x is equal to, I want to take LCM as ABC, okay, BC plus AC, okay, minus AB is equal to 2 by x. So what is x value? Just cross multiply 2ABC by AC plus BC minus AB. 2ABC by AC plus BC minus AB. Okay, 2ABC by AC plus BC minus AB. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Next one. If x square plus 1 by x square is p, then what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? This type of questions can be solved based on p formula. If x plus 1 by x is p, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to p square minus 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube minus 3p. Here x square plus 1 by x square is equal to p. Okay, I want to add 2 on both sides. The left side is nothing but x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to p plus 2. So what is x plus 1 by x? Square root of p plus 2. Okay, so I want to consider this as p. If x plus 1 by x is p, then what is x cube plus 1 by x cube? Is nothing but p cube minus 3p. The formula is p cube minus 3p. Generally p cube minus 3p, but here p is root of p plus 2. So therefore root of p plus 2 whole cube minus 3 into root of p plus 2. In this can be written as root of p plus 2 common, then root of p plus 2 whole square is nothing but p plus 2 minus 3. Okay, so the answer is p plus 2 minus 3 is p minus 1. So p minus 1 into root of p plus 2 is the answer for this question. The answer is this one. Okay, next question. What is the value of 2 plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 8 plus 1 into 2 power 16 plus 1 plus 2 power 32 plus 1 into 2 power 64 plus 1? It's a very simple question. 2 plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 8 plus 1 into 2 power 32 plus 1 into 2 power 64 plus 1. This is question. What is a plus b into a minus b? This is nothing but a square minus b square. Use this formula. Just I want to multiply it by 2 minus 1 and divided by 2 minus 1. Then what is 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1? Is nothing but 2 square minus 1. This 2 square minus 1 multiplied by 2 square plus 1, 2 power 4 minus 1. This 2 power 4 minus 1 multiplied with this, we get 2 power 8 minus 1. This 2 power 8 minus 1 multiplied by this, 2 power 16 minus 1. Already 2 power 16 minus 1 is also there. 2 power 16 plus 1. This 2 power 16 minus 1 into 2 power 16 plus 1, 2 power 32 minus 1. This is multiplied by this 2 power 64 minus 1. This is multiplied by this. So you get 2 power 128 minus 1. Already 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Not necessary to write by 1. So answer is 2 power 128 minus 1. So answer is this one. It's a very simple question. Just multiplied by 2 minus 1 we get the answer. A plus b into a minus b. Again a plus b into a minus b plus b into a minus b. Okay.